Woo. That smells burnt on that bottom. But we're gonna make it happen. Woo! That's all right. Thought I was recording, but we're going with some oil, green onions, and garlic on there. All right. While the green onions and garlic been on about a minute, we're gonna go on in with our kale. I'm just gonna close it for all about 20 seconds while I go get my knife. All right. Toe section. I don't want it to burn like the cornbread did. Get it with a little bit more. And now we're gonna pull our chicken and start cutting it up. Sorry. Just gonna get it into some cubes. All right, that's all our chicken. That's another stir. At this point, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of that AP seasoning. Another stir. Those green onions and garlic are the base flavor. You know, that AP just take it to another level. Alright, we're just about there. Just a little bit more oil before we add this chicken in. A little oil, add our chicken. Give it a little mix. It's gonna cook together all about 2-3 minutes. Chicken's already cooked. Kale's just getting mixed through. Gonna get a little bit more of that smoke flavor on it. Just make it a complete bite. Just gonna wrap it up about a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. And some Parmesan cheese. You can cut it fresh or use it out the jar, however you want to do it. So to clean it up, wrap it up, he's gonna top it with a little bit more of the AP seasoning. About another 1/4 cup of that chicken stock. Give it a good mix up. Top it off with that Parmesan. So we already got our cornbread off the grill. I ain't gonna lie to you. It got burnt, but it's still beautiful. And now, gonna serve up that kale beside it. bit more juice. And we're ready to eat. Get you a nice little forkful. Lord bless it. That's that bite. That's cornbread on the side. All you do with that burnt is if you burn it, that right there. No more burnt. That's a meal. Y'all enjoy that.